Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the library in ChatGPT so you can store and manage your files, images, and generated content all in one place. So first, you want to open your ChatGPT and log into your account. Now, the library is basically your built-in storage space where everything you create, like uploaded documents, generated images, and other inputs can be saved and organized. It makes it way easier to keep track of your work instead of losing it in different chats. Now, here's something important. You might not see library right away. It's supposed to be right over here at the left side of your screen. And it might not be here. It's because it's still being rolled out. So not everyone has access yet. It's also mainly available for Plus, Pro, and Business users. So if you're on a free plan, you might not have it. Another thing to keep in mind is that the library is mostly designed for the web version of ChatGPT. So if you're using mobile or desktop apps, it might not show up there yet. And even if you do have access, it might look empty at first, especially if you haven't created or uploaded any files yet. But once you do have it, you can find the library in the sidebar right over here. From here, you can manage and browse through your saved files, images, and past outputs, and quickly reuse them in future conversations without starting from scratch. So yeah, library basically turns ChatGPT into your personal workspace where everything you create is stored and easy to access. But just remember, availability depends on your account, region, and rollout status. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!